see him slow that bike down, one of the modifications.
Circle, circle, circle. 30.
You see him working the throttle, the clutch, and the brake all in his hands. If you take a close look at the left contact link, you notice that it has two levers. One of them's the clutch, and the other one's the handbrake. That way you can do stuff right now, like you're stepping around the bike.
Jesus, he's romping on that thing.
Then you got the whole crowd in shock when you're riding that thing. You guys got to make a little noise. You guys being quiet. There we go. I know you get to the flight down, so I'm riding like a nut, and everyone gets quiet because everyone's amazed by what he's doing on it. I had the pleasure of the last month being able to ride this bike as well. I was happy. Hey, anybody know have a Coke